deadly assassination techniques, lucrative contracts, millions of dollars worth of contacts. Put the pieces in the correct place. I'm a direct case of when hard working and talent meets. Made it up the hill, it was steep. Some used to be close friends, but now we rarely ever speak. I was diagnosed with a case of being the illest. I was diagnosed with a case of being the realest. Banana clips in the jungle with gorillas. Don't make me send you on a quest to find a healer. I got all type of cards in my hands like a dealer. Money tingles my antennas. Pockets swell, I'm living swell. Put you through a living hell, take many L's. Through my gazelles, I've seen a lot of damage. Big cannon stretch you out like a hammock. Money tingles my antennas. Money tingles my antennas. This ain't art, you won't see survival. For trying to be my rival when I really am your idol. I destroyed the false image he presented. It only took less than a minute, I'm putting on a clinic. I gripped the steel like I was on a carousel. Fucking with fire, wish you a farewell. I will raise the temperature, you'll feel like you're in hell like smoke. I'm literally the GOAT, I'm a genius with a stroke of pen. I just learned another choke again. Don't let me find an opening. They say I'm rhyming like a prime Rakim. Coogee rapping them. I'm back spitting crack again. Money tingles my antennas. Money tingles my antennas. Money tingles my antennas. Money tingles my antennas. Like, you know, like it's like my spider sense. Like when I know the money is near, like my spider senses be going off. You feel me?